Hello and welcome to part 2 of Geography chapter Resources and Development. If you have missed the first part, don't worry. I've left the link in the description box. Watch that video first and then come back to this one. If you're done with that, let's continue. Today we are going to talk about two topics, land and soil. So let's get going. Land resources. Here we are going to specifically talk about India. So what do we have here? About 43% of the land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. Mountain accounts to 30% of the total surface area. Some of the major rivers start from here, and lots of tourists flock to these places. Find out and let me know in the comment box which are some of the major rivers in India which start from the mountains. Let's go ahead. About 27% of the area is plateau. And lots of mining activities take place here. Why is that? Because it possesses rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuels and forests. Let's talk about the geographical area of our country. 3.28 million square kilometers. Now remember, this is only 93% of the survey. So you may be wondering, what about the other 7%? Some parts have not been surveyed. Example, parts of Jammu Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh have not been surveyed. Before we move any further, I want you to understand what is net sown area. So what is it? Since it's very important, I thought to make it a little easier for you. Net sown area is a total area sown, of course, with crops in a country. So I repeat that again. It's very easy. What is net sown area? Is a total area sown with crops in a country. That's it. So let's talk about land degradation. So what is land degradation? It is the decrease in the quality of land either by natural or human activities which makes it unfit for cultivation. I'll repeat that again. What is land degradation? Basically it is the decrease in the quality of land either by natural or human activities, which makes it unfit for cultivation. Remember I spoke about the total land area of our country, 3.28 million square kilometers, out of which 1.3 million square kilometers is already degraded, which amounts to about 40% of the total area, which is a big deal. So what causes this land degradation? Overgrazing, and this is very prevailing in the places such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Imagine you have a plant and you keep on putting water to that plant continuously throughout the day. Today or tomorrow the plant will die just because there is excess of water. In the same way, imagine a huge area and you flood that with water. The crops are not going to be growing very happily. There will be waterlogging and increase in the salinity of the soil. Another reason are the industries, because the waste goes straight into the land or water, which creates land degradation. The other causes are mining, deforestation, cutting of trees. So let's do an activity. Go and plant a sapling and look after that plant. In few years' time, when it grows into a big tree, you will always remember you planted this sapling when you were in class 10. So do that and do let me know how you feel about that. Cement and ceramic industries use a lot of limestone, and this limestone creates lots of dust. When that dust settles on the ground, It makes it difficult for water to infiltrate or percolate or get into the soil. If there are problems, then we need to find solutions. And here are the solutions: afforestation, planting of lots of trees, and I'm sure you're going to do that right now, management of grazing, and making sure that the industries dispose their waste in a systematic manner. Let's talk about soil as a resource. Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. It supports different types of living organisms. Hence, it is also called as a living system. I'll play some light music in the background so you can revise a little better. So that's it for today. In the next video, we are going to look at types of soil and soil erosion. Till then, subscribe to this channel so you get the latest videos. Take care. Thank you very much.